Hi everyone, welcome to the 7th video in this How to Sell on Amazon series. I hope you have watched all the videos we have done so far. If not, I am attaching the link to the playlist in the iCard above. In today's video, let's see how you can seek approval for selling in the restricted product categories. In Amazon, there are some product categories in which if you want to sell, you need to seek prior approval. Such categories are called restricted product categories. If you don't get the prior approval for such categories and you try to list them on Amazon, then such products will be lying in drafts with an error like this that says apply for approval to get qualified to list this product. As per Amazon, the rules and regulations and documents required for getting the approval will be varying depending upon the product category that you wish to sell. That is, the rules for approval in the grocery category will be different from the rules for applying for the listing of a clothing brand category. Now let me show you the selling application for grocery category. For this, first of all you have to select if you are the manufacturer or reseller or distributor of the product that you wish to sell. If you are the owner of the brand, choose the manufacturer option, otherwise choose the other option. Here I have selected the manufacturer option. Now we need to upload certain documents. First of all, it asks for our FSSAI registration certificate or license. And below that you can see some check boxes. You need to make sure that this information matches the documents you are uploading. Once you are sure that the documents have all the details mentioned in the checkbox, you have to upload the file. Regarding the FSSAI certificate, you have to make sure that your name and location is included in your certificate. Secondly, you have to make sure that the category of products you plan to sell on Amazon is mentioned in your FSSAI certificate as well. You can click here and see the FSSAI category list. If you plan to sell pickles on Amazon by seeking approval, you have to make sure that the fruits and vegetable category is mentioned in your FSSAI registration or license. Coming back to the page, you will also have to make sure that your FSSAI registration or license is at least 2 months old before you apply for approval. Once you are ready, just tick all the checkboxes and upload the file. The second document that you need to upload is given here. You need to download this template. You have to then edit this by updating it with your information in the highlighted gray fields in the file. Also, don't forget to tick the checkboxes in the end. Once you are done, save this file, print it and put your sign on it, and then you upload this file by ticking all the checkboxes given in the selling approval page. Next, you have another template to download. It is an Excel document. You need to enter your product details here, that is the details of all the products you wish to sell on Amazon in the initial phase. Then save it in PDF document, PNG or JPG format and upload it in the given space. Lastly, if you are selling dry fruits or chocolate, organic products, skimmed milk powder, packaged drinking water, mineral water or condensed milk, you will need to provide some additional documents which are mentioned here on this page. Once you upload all the necessary documents, you provide the contact information and click on the agree and submit option to request approval. I'll just show you how you can fill the Excel template. In the first column, you put the serial number, and in the next column, you enter the product name. And in the third column, you enter the brand name or manufacturer name. Then you enter the shelf life of the product. Next, type yes if you can store this product at room temperature. And in the next column, type yes or no depending on if your product is organic or not. Lastly, enter if your product is imported or not. Now I am going to save this file in JPG format. So I am using the snipping tool to crop this portion of the screen and save it. So I am back to the selling application page and I have uploaded all the necessary documents and I am entering all the contact information as required. Finally, before submitting, we need to update the FSSAI registration or license number in your seller profile. If you want, you can upload the seller logo and privacy policy here. To update the FSSAI license or registration number, in the About Seller page, type your FSSAI license number as such and save it. Once you click on the agree and submit option, it will show you by which date you can expect the update on this approval request. Now I'll also show you how you can request approval for a clothing brand. You can either upload the invoice that shows the purchase of the product you try to list, or you can upload an authorization letter from the brand. You choose the option, make sure that the details in the checkboxes are satisfied. and then you upload the file just like how I showed you before. Now enter the contact details and submit the request. So that's it. This is how you seek approval to sell your products in the restricted category.